So this is some of the most juiciest, fluffiest curls I've ever had on a unit, and this T-part wig makes it so ideal for you to have it in the middle or the side, which I absolutely love. If you want some details on this unit from CurlsCurls, then you need to stick around. Before we get too deep, make sure you hook your sister up and click on that pretty red subscribe button. And if you haven't done so, turn on the post notifications bell so you don't miss anything when I upload. So the unit was sent over by CurlsCurls. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And we have the unit Sarah. Now, Sarah is a natural curly 3B, 3C curly hair. I have the T-part wig and the medium cap, natural color, 14 inches. It has combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band, so you can wear this unit glueless if you choose to do so. Now, I must say that the lace does look good up against my skin, which you will see in just a second, and we are here for it, okay? So it's my first time trying out CurlsCurls, so we're gonna see what it's hitting for. So I am putting the unit on and styling it straight out of the pack. I will not be co-washing the unit this time around, okay? This is what the curls look like close up, really pretty. Now the fit on this unit is not right for me. It shows a lot of my edges. A lot of my edges are exposed. From front to back is a little small. However, from side to side is actually a little bit long because the unit is actually sitting on my ears, okay? So now that we got that out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and make it work, make it do what it do. And again, another look at the lace, absolutely pretty. And the hairline is mildly plucked. It does need some extra tweezing. So I went ahead and I cut off my lace like I usually do, my little zigzag pattern. And I did the front this time first. I usually cut around my ears first, but because the unit is a little small and oddly fitting, I saved it for last. And I actually had to dig into some of the wig to get the wig off of my ears. And it's actually still like sitting on my ears a little bit. That's why my ears are poking out a little bit. So it's a very odd fit, y'all. I will say that the cap does run a little bit small because the cap size that I have is a medium. I have a 22.5 circumference size head exactly, and the medium for them is supposed to service a 22.5 to a 23 circumference size head. So it does run a little small. I would definitely recommend sizing up. So I did go ahead and put the makeup in my parting space like I usually do. Nothing new, nothing fancy. Use my concealer and I use my powder, and I will set that with my spray. And I did melt down that one little piece in the middle just to make sure the wig did not move because it was so small and I didn't have on a wig grip. I didn't want to slide off. So I'm gonna go and define these curls a little bit. Now, defining these curls are really easy and really simple. You don't really have to do much. If you prefer to just fluff the hair straight out of the pack, you can do that. But as you saw me do, I did decide to wet it up and just define a few curls up in the front area, and it came out absolutely beautiful. The curls are absolutely juicy. They're really soft, really fluffy, really juicy. This hair is absolutely easy to style and shape. I will definitely say that the hair is actually very full, and just keep in mind that I fluffed it just a little bit. So if you want bigger, fuller hair, you can fluff this thing like no other if you choose to do so, okay? But I just did what I did and I'm cool with that. Now, you could shift the wig to the side if you choose, and I absolutely love this more. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do you like it more in the middle or more on the side? I think the middle is more of my thing. I mean, not the middle. I'm sorry. The side. I feel like the side just does it better for me. I don't know. I like the side, but y'all gonna have to let me know what you think in the comment section. So we're gonna do a little test. We're gonna take this unit and we're gonna straighten out a piece and see how well it straightens and how well it converts. So I will be using some heat protectant. It is human hair. I don't want to ruin it, and I saturated it with that. The hair is still a little bit damp from the things I did prior, so I will be taking a blow dryer to dry it first before putting a hot comb to it. And this is what I would do if I was doing a blowout anyway, to be honest with you. I always hit it up with the blow dryer first. So I got that kind of straight. Now I'm going to take the hot comb and I'm just going to comb through the hair. I did a few passes, and I did in the root area at the top, you know, a few more than other. I do notice that it's a little bit thicker in the root, so I don't know if it's filler here or what, but I did, you know, go up there a few times to make sure I got every piece, and it came out really sleek. It came out really nice. So I did add on an additional piece just so we can see more like straightness in this unit. So you see right here, I added some more here and it looks really good. So I know if I did a straight style with this unit, it will come out really straight and really pretty and silk press like. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet the unit back so we can see it revert back to that piece that you see sitting there. I want to keep that piece out so we can compare and see what's going on with it. So I wet it with some water and I put some more of the curling cream back into the hair, and I just will be combing it through. And at this point is literally just a waiting game. When these natural hair units revert back, it takes time. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes. You can see it starting to revert already. I did speed it up a little bit because it takes, you don't want to be sitting here all day. But it does take some time for it to actually snap back and shrink back up to its original size. But I'm gonna tell you like this, it definitely did the job. So it did get straight and it definitely reverted back to its original curl pattern. So I'm super happy with it. I'm not complaining. I think it's a beautiful unit with beautiful texture, and you can do it straight or you could do it curly. It's just a really pretty unit, y'all. But y'all gonna have to let me know how you feel in this unit in the comment section below. Share this video, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course all of the information for this unit will be listed in the description box below. But until then, I will see you. I'll holla. Bye.